everyone, my name is Krista. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use CoGrader to help you create or modify rubrics. So first of all, when you are in an assignment that you are importing to CoGrader, you go ahead and fill out all of this information as usual. Now down here, if you click import and grade without selecting a rubric here, CoGrader will actually use AI to create a detailed rubric for you. So let's take a look. When we get to this screen, we see that all of these assignments have been graded and they need some review. We can also see the rubric up here was a CoGrader created rubrics. So when we go in here, if we scroll down, we can see here is the rubric that CoGrader created based on the assignment and based on my prompt. Once you see the rubric down here and the explanation, you can go ahead and make any changes that you want to in this feedback. You can add, you can take away, you can even change the level. So maybe CoGrader graded a little bit more lenient than you would. You can go ahead in there and you can manually change the score as well as any of this feedback that CoGrader has created. So that is how you use a CoGrader created rubric. Let me show you another way you can use a rubric. So from your home screen, if you go over to create a rubric, you can go to create with AI. Now, all you have to do here is describe the rubric you want to create. You don't even have to be very specific with your prompt. So let's go ahead and create a rubric with a prompt on a recent assignment my students just did. So here is the short and sweet description for 7th graders writing about symbolism in The Outsiders. And I'm going to click submit and CoGrader is going to work its magic. So CoGrader took a very small bit of information and created this incredible rubric that breaks down exactly what I am looking for when students are writing an essay about the symbolism in The Outsiders. Now, I of course can go in here and make any changes that I want to. I can change some of the language so it better reflects exactly what I have said in class. When I am satisfied with this rubric, I go ahead and click Save Rubric, and then it gets added to my library. There's one more way I want to show you how to create a rubric in CoGrader. Go ahead and click on Create Rubric, and then we can create from the standards as well. What you have to do is choose the type of standards that we are required to use. Make sure that you put in all of this information so it knows exactly what you are looking for. So I'm just going to choose a few random ones here. Once I'm satisfied with the standards, then I will go ahead and click submit, and CoGrader is going to make a rubric that addresses each of these standards. And just like that, CoGrader has made a rubric based on those 4 standards that I just selected. Of course, like always, you can go in and make any changes that you need to, but because this is using AI and our state standards, this is going to be a very accurate and very clear rubric that you can use with students. And when you are finished, just click Save Rubric. So I hope this tutorial helped you understand how you can use CoGrader to help you make rubrics for your students.